The available Remote Smart Parking Assist on your Genesis, or RSPA, can help drivers park their vehicle even in narrow parking spaces. This video will show you how to use RSPA from inside the vehicle. See Remote Smart Parking Assist Part 2 for information on how to use RSPA from outside the vehicle. From inside the vehicle, you can use Smart Parking and Smart Exit. Smart Parking can be used for either parallel or perpendicular parking. For this mode to function, RSPA must see vehicles on both sides of the parking space. Press the Parking View button. Driving instructions appear on the touchscreen. Follow those instructions, moving no faster than 12 miles per hour and remaining within 40 inches of the other parked vehicles. When the system detects the parking space, a chime will sound, and a message will appear on the screen identifying the type of space. Stop the vehicle, then select the type of parking space you wish to use. With the vehicle stopped, remove your hands from the steering wheel and press and hold the Parking View button. RSPA then takes charge of steering, gear selection, and speed. You can still use the brake at any time. Continue following the instructions on the touchscreen to complete parking. Know that the vehicle may move back and forth several times to ensure a perfect parking position. You can cancel this process at any point if you are satisfied with the parking position. When the smart parking is complete, you'll hear the Parking Complete chime. The transmission will be in park, the parking brake engaged, and ignition off. A message will appear on the touchscreen. You can now release the Parking View button. You can pause smart parking at any point by letting go of the Parking View button, pressing the brake pedal, unfastening your seatbelt, or opening the driver's door. Smart parking will cancel if you press Cancel on the touchscreen, turn the steering wheel, or change gears. RSPA can also perform a Smart Exit. The vehicle automatically leaves a parallel parking space with the driver inside. Start the engine. Ensure the vehicle is in park and press the Parking View button. On the touchscreen, you'll see that RSPA is examining the space around the vehicle. When done, you can select the direction in which you wish to leave the parking space. Remove your hands from the steering wheel and press and hold the Parking View button. RSPA will then take charge of the steering wheel, gear selection, and speed. You can still use the brake at any time. When RSPA is ready for you to take over, you'll hear a chime and see a message on screen. If you don't press the accelerator or brake within 4 seconds, the vehicle will go into park and engage the parking brake. RSPA functions only under very specific conditions. Please see your owner's manual to review them. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.